This game should get going soon, and in the meantime, Don and I will provide some preamble.
Do we have to?
Yes.
Does it have to be about hockey?
Apparently not. Almonte. Yager with the puck. It's one-on-one. Shoots the puck. Burke turned the shot away. May. Lidstrom. Schaefer gets the puck. Delayed call. Markov will serve time for roughing.
And we have the results in from our viewer Instapoll. 17% say he deserves the penalty. 8% say he doesn't. And 75% say Don is way cooler than Jim.
Hey, let me see that.
No, you can't.
Detroit with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax. Phoenix has a teammate in a not-so-good situation.
This could be a potentially serious injury, but I really hope not.
Langkow will head off to the dressing room.
There's no way to tell how serious it is, Jim, but there's a good chance we could still see him back in the game.
Detroit penalty to number 44.
Yager got the puck.
Timonen, 2 minutes for cross-check.
Chelios took it. Yager trapped offside and play is stopped. Phoenix has an extra player now because he's put his time in the box. Lidstrom. Mera jumps on the loose puck. Markov grabs it. Timonen sees his penalty expire and jumps back on the ice. Yager. Markov knocks the puck loose.
Jan, wake me up when there's a real hit.
Phoenix jumps to attention at the bench.
Uh-oh, looks like we got us a situation. A player hurt situation.
Markov is out for the time being. Looks like he needs some further medical attention.
And he's going to get it.
Schaefer uses his stick in a way it was never intended to be used.
A little cross-check is usually harmless, Jim, but here, obviously not.
Lemieux won the face-off. Brewer. Solani has the puck. Suchi runs over Solani. Brewer with a wrist shot. Blocked. He hits Suchi.
A major league hit.
Savage shoots the puck. Lemieux. Solani controls the puck. Iserman has it now. Shoots! Wilson. Burke hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Denied by Burke. Kaberla takes control of the puck. May gets laid out.
I guess his daily planner said things to do today. Crush someone.
In all alone. Chelios. Kaberle gets hold of the puck. Amonte gets it. Bordelot now has it. Amonte corrals it. A delayed penalty call against Detroit.
He put the puck through his legs just to prove a point. What that point was, I'm not sure.
Joseph closed the door. Timonen will go to the box for cross-checking.
Lucky guy. He gets to enjoy the luxurious penalty box suite for 2 minutes.
Somehow I don't think he's pleased, Don. Phoenix has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Bordelot is grimacing in pain on the ice.
The arm or elbow took the brunt of it. His coach can't hide his concern right now.
Who can?
Good point. Yep, his injuries must be serious, Jim. He's heading to the dressing room.
That's sad to see, Don, but who knows? We could still see him back on the ice. Oh, and the sparks are starting to fly.
Followed by the gloves and the punches.
He knocks him down.
The guy said, "Let's go," so he showed him where he was going.
Iserman wins the draw. Amonte, one time from the right. Brewer gets the pass from Joseph Iserman.
A 5-minute major for
Shoots the puck from the right. Saved by Burke.
There's the kind of old-school tending I love.
Wilson, Doan, now with the puck. Fired it hard. The door is shut by Joseph.
He saw the puck coming a mile away and planned a little welcome back party.
Doan, Chelios, scoops up the loose puck.
play in
Yager.
the first period.
The Red Wings come in offside. May. He gets laid out.
Well, look who's all full of whiz and vinegar. 20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make. Oh, sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff. We've got a real closey on our hands.
Indeed, it's an evenly matched affair and a highly entertaining one because of it.
Let's get on with the second.
Iserman, Burke stoned him cold. Burke hangs on for the whistle. May grabs the puck. Detroit in control now. Timonen. Amonte takes it.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
Briere. May shoots it hard. Joseph made the save. Solani. Lemieux. He gets laid out. Iserman shoots the puck. Saved by Burke.
1 minute, he's standing in the net minding his own business. The next, blammo!
Burke hangs on for the whistle. Briere is the guy to send out if you want to win a faceoff, Don.
He's good at smacking pucks with lumber.
Briere. Savage grabs the puck. The Coyotes dump it in. Williams gets a hold of it. Lidstrom has it. Nylander, the Red Wings go offside. The faceoff goes to Detroit. Schaefer, offside, Detroit. Yager shoots quickly. May. Chelios takes possession of the puck. Long pass. Yager fires it. Scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
All I can say is, I'm glad I was in the arena to see that goal.
And with that goal, they move into the lead.
Ah, yes, and that spells sweet satisfaction. Sweet. That's my new favorite word, Jim. Sweet.
Offside. Doan. Solani grabs the puck. Iserman grabbed it. Lemieux one-times it. Phoenix grabs it. Iserman shoots. Saved by Burke. Briere takes control of the puck. Blasts one. Stoned by Joseph.
The shooter has got to feel a little let down. Just a little.
Solani picks up the puck from Joseph. Lemieux. Detroit scoops it up. Iserman winning ahead of the play. That's offside. Timonen is out cold.
Oh, no. That's a really bad sign.
I never get used to seeing this.
Well, I guess she's out of this game, at least for a while.
The coach looks frustrated. He's not sure of the impact this will have on his team.
He'll just have to work around it.
Lidstrom shot the puck. Kaberla gets it. Kalanos takes it. Nazarov returns it. Kalanos with a wrist shot. Laid out. Schaefer with the puck. Yager fires it from the corner. He scores!
And there, the goalie shows some defensive play that's truly offensive.
And they're up by 2.
But their defense will have to be careful. A late goal would let their opponents right back into this game.
Yeah, Don, don't even give them a chance. Johnson gets caught offside and play is stopped. Nazarov just threw his gloves off in a hurry.
Yeah, he seems to be nursing his hand. Not quite sure what happened there.
Bad luck. I don't think we're going to be seeing him anytime soon.
Here's hoping we're wrong. Just this once.
Lemieux, Burke stones him cold. Burke stoned him.
And that's why his teammates always let him ride shotgun after the game.
Burke hangs on for the whistle. Brewer shoots it, misses. Sloan grabs the puck, fires from the right. Burke closed the door. Savage knocks him off the puck. Wilson rifles a shot, missed the net. Savage takes possession of the puck.
The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
Viewed and bid on at a display beside guest services. All proceeds go to Hockey Fights Cancer.
This has been an entertaining matchup so far. Wouldn't you agree, Don?
It sure has. Let's get the show back on the road.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Schaefer. He scores to get the hat trick.
And he gets the hat trick and makes it look easy. Now that's a class player.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Chelios controls the puck.
Jaromir Jagr assisted.
Wrist shot, stoned cold by Burke.
He just got a new stick, Jim, and he couldn't wait to try it out.
Burke made the save. Briere May had the puck. The Coyotes dump it. Amonte has it now. Joseph makes the save. Chelios. Nylander took the puck. Sloan now with it. Williams has it now. Kaberla jumps on it. Burke hangs on for the whistle. Jagr is playing a superb game tonight. And here's another look at goal number 3. May looks pretty hurt.
He's holding his forearm, and he is not enjoying himself at this moment, Jim.
No, and I don't blame him a bit, Don. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Wilson gets in the way. Briere flattened.
And he gives him a massive case of that's gotta hurt.
Delayed call coming up. Savage is going off for roughing.
Jim, maybe you can help me with this crossword puzzle. What's a 7-letter word meaning punishment for an infraction in a hockey game? I'm stumped.
Detroit is up a man, and that spells trouble for the home team.
They'll need to dig deep to kill this penalty.
Vannanen fell straight to the ice and isn't getting back up.
The arm or the elbow seems to be hurting. Let's hope he can stay on.
Detroit is slaying in the face-off department.
Look at their percentage. They rule.
Barahowski takes control of the puck. Amonte shoots! Hits the post! Jagr got the puck. Detroit ran out of time on that power play. Jagr backhands it. Amonte stops the shot. He takes control of the puck. Doan taken out.
That took the wind out of his sails.
Nylander now has the puck. Sloan grabs it, saved by Burke.
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Doan missed the net. Chelios jumps on the loose puck. Door slammed shut by Burke.
Right back at you. Booyah!
Kaberla with the puck. That's offside. Detroit has been winning most of the draws.
They draw better than Picasso.
Doan. Shot! Joseph shut the door!
He could have been baking a pie and made that save.
Joseph has been perfect in this game.
He hasn't faced too many shots, but he's turned aside the ones he has.
Brewer with a wrist shot. Burke denied him. Burke freezes the puck.
Special talent? Are you looking for a venue to demonstrate it? Then enter our annual Search for the Stars contest at Guest Services.
Lemieux won the faceoff. Shoots quickly. Barahowski takes the puck. Wilson gets laid out.
Oh, yes! That was really not much of a hit after all. Sorry.
Wilson shoots from the corner. Yzerman. Shot the puck. Denied by Burke.
You can tell he wants the game. Big time.
Amonte mowed down.
Just another example of his total commitment to anarchy.
Offside, Detroit. Johnson. Amonte now with the puck. Caberlet gets in the way. Shatan. Great save by Burke.
Did you see that save? Did you, Jim? Did you?
Yes, Don. Shatan gets hold of the puck. Caberlet corrals it. Nieuwendyk fires. Burke denies him. Mera gets checked. Savage holds it by the defender with one hand on his stick.
His next trick, levitation.
Nieuwendyk. He gets laid out. Wilson. Rink-wide pass. Phoenix wins the race and beats out the icing call. Cranks it.
He missed the net? Man, that shouldn't even count as a shot.
It doesn't.
Well, good then.
Lemieux. He gets pushed. Briere grabs the puck. Suchi blocked. Put it in the books. Detroit disposes of them in regulation time.
Never discount the importance of throwing your weight around. Sometimes getting just a little physical gives you the room you need to make...